What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm on the phone today. I just didn't feel like bringing out that big camera, so we're gonna shoot the vlog on the phone today. Probably ain't gonna be too much of nothing going on, even though it's a pretty day. Cause man, I ain't pulling that cutlass out no more. I done cut the food in that cutlass for y'all at least. Well, not for y'all one time, but I done did it myself 2 times. I gotta get that intake fit. But today we over here with the Camaro, man. I ain't seen my car in I don't know how many days. My junk sick, man. Look, they splashing dirt, man. I gotta give it a wash. The big truck coming out here and stuff. I ain't seen my car, man, and I guarantee you it's still do the same thing. Got to get that thing fixed, man. Look at that. Nothing, man. My junk sick. It's sick, man. My junk really sick. But it's alright. Man, I don't even think I turned my... I'm glad I thought about it, cause I don't even think I turned my CO2 off. I'm trying to fix this, man. My little sneak. Trying to get this dug up out of here. I like to be sneaky. Keep that cool. Keep that cool. Yeah, man, I got a call, man. Got cut off. Only thing I hate about vlogging on the phone, man, you might be in the middle of some action. Somebody pop up and call you. Mess your whole clip up. If they had that happen, boy, you be sick. Yeah, man. But the resistors came. That's why I turned the camera on, keep y'all in the loop. Cause I wasn't gonna turn it on, then y'all just popped up and the car been fixed. Like I did last time when the what's the name was oh, I did turn off. Like last time when the drain needed fixed. I ain't even recorded. Y'all ain't know it fixed. But I'm finna show y'all these resistors. Alright, so these the resistors. This the resistor kit right here. That's what I was saying, man. You can bypass that thing. So that's what we gonna do. He's supposed to do it today. Since it's down here, they're gonna, man, it probably gonna take him all of 10 minutes, if that. Probably ain't gonna take that. But you know, we got the different ohm readings and stuff, and I just bought a big pack or whatever, so I have some for whatever. So I got a whole slew of resistors. So man, you twist these together, that orange wire under there. Of course you need an ohm reader. I got one at the house myself. I got an ohm reader, but he got one. Then he gonna, you know, find the right one you need, or you have to go through them one by one. Which take a long time, cause you can use a key without a tip, but then you have to go through these things one by one. The system reset every time you stick the key in and turn it. It reset the system. So for 3 to 5 minutes, I think. So it take a long time. So hopefully this car, man, I be hearing y'all next time y'all see it. This car here gonna be back fired up, man. Cause you get this, when he put that resistor in there, it should fire right back up. It should, man. It should fire right on up. So that's what I'm hoping, man. I'm gonna get back to the house. I don't know. I might pull the cutlass out, cause I hate getting y'all video no action. But I gotta watch this bad boy. I had to turn it on. Let y'all know what's going on. Keep y'all in the loop with everything. So you know, that's what it is. It's dirty, man. God almighty, boy. They been splashing all type of dust. Good God. Hey, my car ain't never been this dirty, man. I'm talking about they kicking up all the time. It that dirt coming from right there, man. I'm gonna have to pay. I'm gonna pay somebody. I might have my cousin Dink come down here and watch this thing when he tell me it's done before it even leave. Cause it bad, boy. Dirty, man. Windshield, everything need So I don't know. But we're gonna see what we get into, man. I just had to show y'all this and put these in the car before I be done forgot. Gonna throw these in the car. My uncle come over here tonight and get to it. Might tell him to go on and hook that up too while he at it. He doing the wire, he under there. Yeah, I am. That wire right there, go ahead and tell him to hook the bump box up. So we had a bump box when I come back. That ain't gonna take him long, so. Yep, that's what it is. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in over here at Lawless Street Cars. Y'all see the number on the screen, all the information. Still on the dump, man. I want to show y'all in the inside, that paint, man, hidden, but like I said, y'all get in them. Some people probably, matter of fact, I think, yeah, y'all ain't saw it. Some of y'all ain't saw it on this channel car, but this right here is a 28 mounted up over here at Lawless. Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. A lot of y'all been coming to see him too and been hitting them up now. Y'all, I told y'all they do that A1 work. But all this mount job we're doing at Lawless, man, that wheel is ridiculous. That lip is ridiculous, man. So y'all can see. I'm talking about crazy. But like I said, it's all nice work too. Clean, like I said, I showed it before. You cut all that cut up, man. It ain't none of that messed up stuff or tacky junk right here. So yeah, this gonna be a nice piece too, man. This my bro. This thing here gonna be nice. Or should I say they team, man. This thing here gonna be crazy. But yeah, y'all make sure to hit up on Jesse, man. Get in for that fab work and all of that. And that tuck job. That's 28 now. That ain't no 26. That's a 28 right there. And I'm gonna tell you this, you ain't about to just go out in your yard and put these on if you don't know what you're doing. So it just worth it, man. You know, spend the money. Y'all see the offset? Y'all spend the money, man, to get it done right. So I just dropped by. Y'all know I have to drop by at least once a week, see what they got going on and all this. So for the people on this channel that ain't seen, you know, you got them about to drop, man. It's a custom car, gonna be real nice. So y'all just stay tuned. We checking in, y'all. We checking in the big boy truck. Going for a ride, man. We just talking about the lifts and everything. Let's see. Oh yeah. Hey, that big truck moving, man. Hey, God damn. Hey, where we at? 80, that quick. Man, that big truck moving. This truck moving on 26. What side tire? 40 tire, man. 26. I'm gonna show it to y'all, but y'all saw it in another vlog. I'm gonna show it to y'all when we get back, man. This thing moving. I tell y'all this, you wouldn't expect this truck to be moving like that. For real, on these big wheels and tires, boy. This thing rolling. All right, y'all, look, this is the truck right here, man. I said y'all saw it in the other vlog. He lit the tires up. The bad boy, he was nasty. Hey, this thing here nasty, boy. You wouldn't think that truck moved on big tire, boy. He on some 44 like he said. You wouldn't think it moved like it moved, but it bad boy nasty. It clean too. On the 2060, 12-inch lift, it's up there. Yeah, man, I been hollering at my boy about on the tires and stuff. I should run. He got me on. I got everything figured out. What I'm gonna do on the lift. Yeah, this thing here nasty though. I got everything figured out. What I'm gonna do on the lift, on the tires and all that. Yeah, big truck ride, boy. Hey, pick up speed quick. The big truck ride. Look at this bad boy, clean too. Clean. Yes, sir. I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm back from Lawless. About to run up the street and see. Gotta see my marks, man. I gotta check my marks out from the Cutlass. The other video, man, that video was fire. Y'all can't tell me them B-roll shots went hard now. I done pulled a drone out. I got cut off again. That's why I tell y'all I do not vlog on the phone if I can help it. Man, folk call, mess up the clip. But like I was saying, y'all can't say them drone shots went fire, man. That B-roll footage. My stuff about to start being a movie. When I feel like it, when I feel like I'm gonna start going in. But we finna run up the street right quick. I got CD more, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Had to get out, man. Y'all see these, get out and see these malls, man. Them ain't mine. I don't know where them come from. But we are down here. Had to come inspect my motor. Man, I can't. Shit, they probably done faded. Oh, nah, they way down here, y'all. See these mods. Boy, look. Ooh. Look, when you burn out, you always have to see your mods. So right here, they get light right here. They get light right here. That supercharger is, ooh, that supercharger, boy, rolling. This tire right here, though, this tire right here went on to carry it, but yeah, boy, it 2 sets on, both on mine. Yeah, that supercharger rolling, boy, makes some torque. And I ain't even get the tire going real good. But yeah, man, y'all see it. Probably ain't gonna be able to see. Ooh, oh yeah, we rolling good. All right, y'all, we had to see tomorrow. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Checking in, it's the next day. As y'all can see, cause it's daytime, I forgot to close the video out. So that's all I'm doing right here with that. Just a little typical day, keeping y'all in the loop of every single thing that I got going on or whatever, you know. Like I said, we went to Joe Buddy Racing, dropped the resistors off, checked out the mods that this bad boy, well, I be saying bad boy, this bad girl had left. All of that meat. Oh boy. Hey man, I took a break this month from, you know, well, not this month, I ain't took no break period, but I said I'm gonna take a break from spending money. But I'm about to, well, I already skint down on Dolo, but I think I'm about to go ahead and skin down on meats and get it back running. Cause I said my goal for March was to have all of my old school running. So I think I'm about to go ahead and skin down for meats and go ahead and get a new engine, get a new heartbeat in meats, and you know, do that, and I don't know, man. Y'all tell me, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm gonna just tell y'all what's been on my mind. Cause that's kind of what this is anyway, this video. Meat, I actually, y'all probably, believe it or not, I actually been thinking about getting rid of meat. Some people gonna be like, no man, why? But the thing with me and cars, like, it's just materialistic stuff, man. It's like, ever since I got that car back, I haven't been as connected or into the car as I was when I had it back 7, 8, well, it been 9 years ago. I don't know, man, cause y'all know about, I mean, well, I'm just gonna keep it real. Honestly, financially, I've been able to, I could have did the setup I plan on doing in meats. I could have been had and stuff, but I don't know, man. It's like, basically the stuff I was doing in meats is like this car getting that treatment now. You know, it like when you get something new, it's a breath of fresh air. It's like, okay, I done did that. I guess that's what it is. Both of them boxes, but it's like I done did that. I done put my stamp on that car. I done had multiple engines in it, small block nitrous, big block nitrous. I done cut up in the streets. I done street raced. I done ran at the track. I done did it. I done did it all. Donuts. I got my members in the car and stuff, but it's like, man, you got this right here. Cause all the money, I'm like, man, I done spent. Now you talking about over 20,000 all together in this car. Over 20 between the engines and well over 20. It's way past. I had got cut off, man. I've been recording the whole vlog on the phone. Had got a call, but like I was saying, man, I'm really thinking about getting rid of the car, man. I know y'all probably be more attached to the car than me, but I've been thinking about getting rid of it. The type of person I am, man, I'm gonna have 3. I got 4 rides. Way more than the average person. And then I'm gonna own a Grand National. I'm gonna buy a Grand National, so that'll be 5. I'm like, man, I can't keep it just. And the engine, y'all really don't know what kind of, y'all don't know how it come with the engine, man. I dropped some money on the engine. I'm telling you, I spent some money. I ain't playing. I ain't spend no little chump change on no engine. I spent some money. I don't want to talk about how much I spent, cause then people kind of know how I'm coming, but I spent some money, and I spent over 5 figures on the engine. So it like I done went in on this car, just like what the stuff I would have been doing to meat. So, and this started out as a budget, a quote unquote budget bill, but I just done went so deep in it. So now it's like growing connection right here because I done did all the work like I had did the Meats, but it like Meats done had its time and stuff. And it's a nice car, man. I mean, but I've been told my wife, I've been said it about 3 weeks ago, and I keep bringing it up and it keep crossing my mind. So it's like, man, I really been thinking about getting rid of Meats, man. Just keeping me. I'm gonna keep 4 at all times. I say it was 3, but I'm gonna keep 4 at all times. This car grew on me soon. I got it. It's a nice car. It grew on my whole family. The Camaro wasn't gonna stay. The Camaro stand. The kids love that car. That was the first thing they rode in out of my hot rod. So they love the Camaro. Then, like I said, Dolo, building a connection with Dolo, and I spent so much money in it. It's now an investment, so it's gonna have to stay around for a second at least. And my Grand National I get ain't never going nowhere. And they're just waiting on me. I mean, you know how you want something real bad. And you've been wanting it forever. Everybody really know me. No, Grand National my dream car. I'm financially able to get it now. Thank God, man. Thank God for that. I've been financially able to get one and afford the one I want, a nice one, because they cost some money. You know, I want one unmolested and stuff. So, but it's just one of them things where you want to wait for the perfect time, the perfect moment. Like, I don't want to just up and buy a Grand National right now. I don't. I want to get my shop, my building put up. And even when I do, the Grand National not gonna be in there, man. I want this car so bad. The car not gonna. I don't want nothing around it. I don't want no other cars around it. I don't want no tools around it. Nothing. And I'm gonna put it where I put it, and it's gonna be covered up. And I don't want nothing around that'll fall and hit it. I ain't doing no modifications. I want an all original, unmolested Grand National, and it's just gonna be, when I buy it, it's gonna be the perfect time. So it's stuff be on my mind, man. You know, I'm like, it's gonna be 5 cars. I mean, one of them got the rotating stuff, so I done had my fun. I don't have that attachment, and I've been feeling like this for a minute. I just ain't never said nothing. Been feeling like this for a minute, and anybody that been paying attention should see that, cause I would have been made it happen with this car. I had this car back 2 years now. I would have been went all the way in with that car. It just ain't there. I put the regular motor in it, but it just ain't there. So I don't know. It's just a vlog. Just telling y'all what's on my mind, all of that. You know, keep y'all in the loop with everything. So yeah, I appreciate y'all really tuning in with me every day, rocking with me every day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, as long as the weather ain't bad. I'm out.